Good evening, good evening, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night, good day, whatever it is, I hope you're having a good one. And today, in this little lesson and video, I'm going to be posting about NVIDIA and something that's going on in the news today. So as we can see by looking into this chart, we're just looking at a big drop. We're seeing steady movement in the charts, fluctuations, a few dollars in fluctuations, and then all of a sudden a huge drop from 141 to 127 all the way down to 116. This doesn't happen every day. This is very rare, and a lot of people could have been profitable on this day. A lot of people could have also lost a lot of money, and it could have scared a lot of people as well. As we can see over here, when the market opened around this time, it scared tons of people. Why did this drop happen? Why did Nvidia just drop from 140 to 128? It scared people and they sold off because they thought it was going to go down even more, and it did go down even more. But then it came back up. So there was a scare in the market. And what caused this scare? Many things can cause scares in the market. They don't just happen randomly. The way that the market works isn't it just doesn't jump up and down randomly. There are certain things that happen in the news that cause markets to fluctuate. Today, we're going to go over what happened. The drop in the market was from something, new technology emerging from China by the name of DeepSeek. Now, DeepSeek is an AI application similar to ChatGPT, but it was made by Chinese developers and it was very cheap to make. I think it was under $6 million to make, while ChatGPT, all these other companies, Google AI, all these other things, Gemini, all these things cost way more than that. And DeepSeek is scaring a lot of government officials. It's scaring the U.S. government. Why? You'd think, why would it scare a U.S. government? Why? Like, really, it's an application. It's the same reason why TikTok was banned. Because they thought that, well, they have good reason to believe that since it is by Chinese developers can get information from U.S. users. And they can use that to their advantage. Now, this is all tied in with politics, the tariffs, that Donald Trump, who is now president of the United States, is creating for Canada, for China, for Mexico, for the entire world, wanting to bring more business into the United States to happen within the U.S. But DeepSeek can definitely gather a lot of information from US users if US users type things into it. If US users are using AI from another country, such as China, they have access to all of that information. And they can gather that information, learn a lot about Americans, learn a lot about the population, and they can profit economically from that. So this was a huge scare. And in fact, downloading DeepSeek in certain states is illegal. Let's go to Google right now. Is DeepSeek illegal? Lawmakers introduced bill to ban DeepSeek. One day ago. This is making news right now. People don't want DeepSeek for that reason. Chinese owner telecommunications companies that is barred from operating in the United States. So I actually downloaded and I looked into this app. I don't have it anymore, but I looked into it. I didn't really type anything into it. I just was asking around, like, what is DeepSeek? And it's similar to ChatGPT, but in my opinion, ChatGPT is better. So let's go back over here. What is DeepSeek? So DeepSeek is a Chinese artificial intelligence software company that develops open source large language models. as we can see over here, I'm not going to read all of this, but DeepSeek's model, DeepSeek R1 made headlines for its performance and cost, which was under 6 million, a lot less than other other AI platforms like ChatGPT. Over here, it caused the stock Nvidia to drop. A lot of politicians are saying that it should be illegal and they want to ban it. So that's what I wanted to go over. As we can see, there was a huge drop. So if you caught this and you found out what was going on and realized, like right now I'm looking at a naked chart. If I look at charts with indicators on it, which I do, moving averages, volume weighted, whatever indicator I'm looking at, I can definitely trade it better. So that this trade would have been profitable and you could have made a lot of money if you shorted the market. Keep in mind, when it comes to trading stocks, you can make money when the market goes down. I would have shorted it right here and held on to it, and then I could have bought it again when I saw that it was turning back up. And we can see right now that it's just going up and down. It's fluctuating. It's staying within this zone. It hit this level over here, faked down, and then went back up. Now it's in a little period of consolidation. So it could either break up to the upside, or if it breaks this level right here, it could go down. And that's just looking at support and resistance levels on this 3-minute chart without any indicators. But I would recommend using indicators. So basically, in this video, I just wanted to go over how everything is tied together. The charts and the prices don't just randomly go up and down. Things cause movement. If something is going on in politics, or if a new technology has come out, the news is going to affect the markets. The markets are a reflection of what's going on in the world. Whether you're looking at Forex, whether you're looking at the regular stock market, whatever you're looking at, it's a reflection of the world. So pay attention to the news. If you see anything going on, check out the charts. Use indicators, and that might give you a feel of what's going on. Take, for example, if the CEO of some big company is exposed for fraud or for something, that could cause the market to drop. So go to that stock, put on an indicator, see it when it crosses over that sell barrier, and short the market, and you will be profitable. Or if you already have that stock, then sell it off and don't lose any money. Anyway, this is it for today. Hope you enjoyed it.